Hi everyone. Today I'm walking you through an interactive site I built for learning Avalanche, a blockchain where transactions finalize in seconds and anyone can spin up their own chain. How is that possible? Let's find out in 10 minutes hands-on. Start with this question. If the network grows 100 times, how much longer does consensus take? The answer is B. Barely changes. Sounds impossible, right? This demo shows why. Imagine you are one validator. You only do 3 things. Ask a few random pairs, red or blue. Next, tally the answers and adopt the majority. Then repeat. When every node does this at once, the whole network snowballs into one color, like this. That's Avalanche's snow consensus. The key is each node's workload depends only on how many pairs it asks. Next, grow the network. The queries per node don't change. That's why bigger doesn't mean slower. Now the anatomy. Avalanche isn't one chain, it's 3 with divided rows. Tap the C chain in the middle. The contract chain, DeFi, NFTs, stablecoins all live here, and Ethereum tools like MetaMask work as is. In practice, users touch almost nothing but this. And pick an action and watch the transaction flow to the chain that handles it. For example, staking. Staking goes to the P chain, the network's registry. And gaming. Gaming goes out to one of these green satellites, the Avalanche L1s. Those are up next. Owning your own chain used to be heavy. 2,000 bucks staked per validator, plus a duty to validate all 3 main chains. The SNR upgrade in December 2024 removes that. Now it's just a small continuous fee. Officially, deployment costs dropped 99.9%. And here is why you'd want one. Left is the shell chain. One hit as minting frenzy jumps everyone, and your fees spike with it. Like this. And right is separate chains. Your neighbor bans, your L1 doesn't care. Gaming chains like Beam run in production exactly like this. More chains mean a new problem. How do they talk? Avalanche's answer is ICM. Sent from L1A, and every validator adds a tiny signature merged into one stamp. A BLS aggregate. The receiver verifies just that single stamp. Here is the difference from external bridges. A bridge packs your asset in a third party's vault along the way, like this, sends the asset. Now, what if that vault gets attacked? Let's send again. And it's gone. That has happened repeatedly in real life. ICM has no vault. You trust the network's own signatures, nothing else. And in 2026, these pieces are live worldwide. The flagship Pragma in Japan, the country's large security token platform, MFG linked, and over 452 billion yen in assets finished migrating to an Avalanche L1 destroy. Zero downtime. As animation shows, not a single box dropped. Below Avacloud and ICM. the exact pieces we just saw. In finance, CME listed AVAX futures, and in payments, Hyundai moved $20,000 of real money from the US to Mexico in about 7 minutes versus 3 to 4 hours before. And at Aave before choosing Avalanche for its first step outside Ethereum. And you got regulated finance, payments, and DeFi all going live in the same year. Let's zoom out. 2018, the Snow consensus is born in an anonymous paper. And 2020, mainnet. 2023, all three chains unified on Snowman. And 2024, Ethernet turns subnets into L1s. And 2026, production worldwide. Every chapter we walk today sits on this one line. And the next blueprint, SAE and Simplex, is already in the works. The site works in 5 languages. Link in the description. Go drag the sliders, attack the board yourself. It clicks when you touch it. If this helped, a like and subscribe mean a lot. Thank you for watching. Bye.